teachers. So you have your class set up on Seesaw. Now you are ready to assign your home learning codes. You have to have a way to get these codes to your students. So let's go up here and click Home Learning Codes. So I'm going to go to the class, and here, this is the class that I'm using, the tutorial class. I'm going to print the codes if I need a physical paper to get this paper to my students. Now, if you look here, it has step-by-step directions for your students and how they get in. Now, they also have the directions in Spanish. This is the QR code that they can use, or they can use this code here, and I'm going to show you how they do this. So let's go back. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to sign out. I can sign out here. And now I'm going to go in as so your students are going to come in here and they can simply scan their code if they have a camera on their device, or they can type in their code and it takes them into their journal. So there you go. And this is what the children see. There's an inbox or messages between you and your student. So now remember, your screen is different than the students. Here are their activities. Here is their journal. So that's it. I hope you found this useful.